Assalamu alaikum, मैंने टाटो गोब्रो सोशल साइंसेस मज पारान सिविकस अत मज टॉपिक व्हाट इज गवर्नमेंट क्वेश्चन अत मज नेम द राइट्स विच आर एसेंशियल टू बी guaranteed in a democracy. Answer: the following rights are essentially guaranteed in a democracy. Number 1, right to vote, right to contest election, right to equality and liberty, freedom of press, freedom of expression and thought. Question number 2, what do you understand by representative democracy? Answer: representative democracy is also known as indirect democracy. In representative democracy, administration is run by the people's representatives. These representatives are elected by the people on adult franchise basis for a fixed period. What are the two major hindrances in the successful working of democracy? अमुक जवाब छो illiteracy is one of the major hindrance in the successful working of democracy. Number 2, poverty. Poverty is also a big hindrance in the working of democracy. Question 4, write 3 conditions that are essential for a successful democracy. Answer: enlightened citizenship is the first condition for the success of democracy. Duyam, freedom of press is very essential for the success of democracy. Treyam, economic and social equality. तो यम सवाल लिखो जनाबो कापी पे पानी अति करूक याद ताकि एग्जामस मज मा हेकन यम असित तो पत हूँ जवाब तुम आसानी सान लिखित कर या दित कर इजाजत शुक्रिया।